Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Longacre Elementary School in Farmington, Michigan, home of the Leopards. This is my second visit to this school. It's a Leader in Me lighthouse school. And I'm outside right now, pretty close to their main entrance, but the assemblies today were inside in the media center. And we built on the first time I visited, which was all about bullying, looking at someone's heart first, just like you see your own best friend, right? Treating them with that same respect that you want to be treated with. Today, though, we took it up a level. We talked about diversity, talked about our differences, the need for human kindness, the same image and words that you see on my shirt here. It says, need human kindness. And this kindness, you see the peace sign inside the heart. That's where this has to begin, inside of our heart. There's also two people in this image because the whole idea is that we have to show kindness to others, but also to ourselves. And it's so important that we keep showing more kindness in the world because we truly need it, right? And we're thinking about that any action that we do, any positive word that we say, if we're nearby someone else's ears or eyes that also hears that kindness or sees that kindness, maybe it could positively affect their heart too. And that starts with an appreciation of diversity being our differences. Could be on the outside, how we dress, the foods we eat, our culture, our background, where we were born, the languages that we speak, how we walk, talk, see, hear, learn, our skin color, anything that might be different than other people on the outside. We have to honor and appreciate those things, but also what's on the inside. Our gifts, our talents, our abilities. Some people are great singers, drawers, athletes, students, whatever it is that we're able to really, first of all, appreciate our own worth and value, but then see that in others. And that ties into this concept. I always bring this up in all my programs, but we all have the letter M with the lines of our hands on our palms, right? With the lines of our hand, we have at least one M on each hand. I trace one of mine here. And that M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we are beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And so through a series of songs, some positive music, some inspirational videos, different motivational stories that I share with the students today, some heartfelt stories, they really got that concept, right? They really understood that yes, we are miracles, and now it's our job to go help others that don't appreciate their own diversity or don't even like their reflection when they look in the mirror, don't appreciate their differences, to help them see that, right? To be that light to their heart. We can also show that unconditional love, that love without any conditions. Even if somebody's taller than us or shorter, wider or thinner, in a wheelchair, not disabled or not, wears glasses or not, anything that might separate us potentially, we can look to that as something that can unify us, right? Bring us together. And really, truly, it starts in our heart, but it also just starts with one act of kindness at a time. Right? A lot of students came up to me and said, Mr. Peace, I'm pretty shy, or, I don't really have that many great friends. I only have like one best friend or two, and how can I make more friends? And I said, I challenged all the students today and the teachers to just try to show one act of kindness a day to someone that you don't even know that well, right? It could be a older student in a different grade, a younger student. It could be someone in your class, in your same grade. It could be a different teacher. And, the more you do that, the more it becomes like a habit to say, hey, I'm opening my heart, I'm showing you this love, and in return, that person may show it back. And that's how you might start to meet new friends. And, diversity is so beautiful because if we're all the same, it'd be boring. But the fact that we are able to meet new people and, really appreciate the beauty around us, that's what makes this earth and this planet and living and growing through diversity so cool. I mean, it's just invaluable, like the lessons that we can learn from each other. And really, if we truly embrace it, we can grow. Resist it and struggle, but if we embrace it, we can definitely grow. And that's what the leaders do here at Longacre, right? It's all about love. You see the teachers, the students, everybody. It's a caring community, and it was an honor to be here, right? The Lighthouse School, let's go shine that light. Let's go continue to really show others that we want to include them, respect them, and ultimately, choose that compassion, choose that kindness, choose that love. You guys are beautiful. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out this playlist for some additional motivation. And you can also click the peace sign symbol on this screen tablet wherever you're watching this video to check out my website, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.